Well, hello everybody and welcome back for another video. If you're looking for a cheap and effective way to get smooth, soft and plump skin, then this video is for you. I'll be sharing 3 incredible Vaseline hacks that you've got to try. These game-changing Vaseline hacks will transform your skin for life. Vaseline or petroleum jelly is a beauty staple that has been around for many years and it's more versatile than you think. First off, we'll be talking about how you can use Vaseline to plump and soften your lips. If you want to soften and plump up your dry lips in no time, let me show you the trick. It's really simple. After exfoliating your lips, take a small amount of Vaseline and gently rub it over your lips. Your lips will look instantly plumper, softer and super hydrated. If you do this over your favorite lip balm just before you go to bed at night, you'll wake up with soft, smooth and hydrated lips in the morning. This is a very quick hack for people with dry and flaky lips. The best way to achieve a good result with this is to first go in with a vitamin E infused lip balm, then top it up with some Vaseline and you will love your lips over time. Secondly, Vaseline is a game changer for your under eye area. The skin around your eye area is very delicate and can get really dry, especially if you've been lacking sleep or you've been staring at screens for a long period of time. Now, after your nighttime skincare routine, simply take the tiniest amount of Vaseline, warm it up behind your palm with your ring finger and gently tap it in your under eye area before bedtime. It locks in moisture, keeping the area hydrated overnight, plus the thicker consistency helps to smoothen out fine lines and give your skin that refreshed look in the morning. Just be sure to use the smallest amount. Too much can leave your skin feeling greasy and a little goes a long way. This is very super beneficial for people with dry skin or a damaged skin barrier because it just helps to eliminate dryness by locking in all that moisture for a long period of time, preventing transepidermal water loss and keeping your skin plump. And for the third hack, let's talk about rough and dry patches. And these areas include your knuckles, your elbows, your knees and your feet. These areas can get really dry and patchy because these are the areas where you mostly have hard skin. For this last step, before bedtime, take a generous amount of Vaseline and apply it in those areas where you have hard skin. These areas are usually tougher, harder and rougher than the rest of your body. You usually notice some hyperpigmentation in these areas like your knuckles, your elbows, your knees and your feet. And especially if you're like me who struggles with a lot of hyperpigmentation on my knees and you're using brightening or lightening ingredients to help fade the hyperpigmentation in these areas with hard skin, using Vaseline will come in super handy because those exfoliating chemicals leave the skin feeling super dry because of the exfoliating properties. So using Vaseline after your body lotion or your hydrating serums will help lock in all that moisture and hydration, preventing those tough areas to get extremely dry due to the use of exfoliating chemicals. Vaseline is really what helps my knees during healing process after exfoliation to fade hyperpigmentation on my knees because my knees used to feel tougher and rougher than this, but this has really changed the game for me. Now to achieve this, all you have to do is to apply your body lotion before bedtime and then go in with a good coat of Vaseline on these areas where you have dry skin, including your feet as well, and you wake up with noticeably softer skin in the morning. There you have it. These are 3 simple but powerful Vaseline hacks to achieve soft, plump and smooth skin. Whether you're looking to plump your lips, hydrate your under eye or just soften tough skin, using Vaseline in these areas can help retain moisture for a long period of time and help soften these hard skin areas. So give these hacks a try and let me know in the comments how they work out for you. I really hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. The links to my socials will be in the description box. Check them out and I'll be seeing you in the next one. Bye.